Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Ethernet connected but no internet problem on Windows, so you can actually get back online again. So first, simply try restarting your PC and router, because sometimes a simple reboot can actually resolve any network issues. Now next, you can also try resetting your network settings. So to do this, simply press Windows plus I at the same time, then go to Network and Internet. Then go to Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset. From here, you then have to follow the prompts to continue. Now another thing is to simply check your IP settings. So to do this, simply go to your control panel, then go to Network and Sharing Center. From here, you can then select Ethernet, then Properties, then Internet Protocol version, and make sure that Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. Now finally, you can also try updating your network adapter driver. So to do this, simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then go to Device Manager, then Network Adapters. Then simply right-click on your Ethernet adapter and select Update Driver. Now guys, after these steps, your Ethernet connection should regain internet access and work normally again. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.